So we'll start now. Coordinate geometry revision questions. Okay, plus linear equations in two variables. We have 2 more minutes. Okay. So write the question. Okay, you remember the coordinate geometry, right? So, two perpendicular lines divide the plane into 4 quadrants. Then first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant. Okay, in first quadrant, both are positive. Second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. Third quadrant, x and y negative. Fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. Okay, x coordinate, another word is what? X coordinate, another word. X coordinate, another word is abscissa. Okay. Y coordinate, another word is ordinate. Okay. Then in x-axis, y coordinate is what? In x-axis, y coordinate is 0. In y-axis, x coordinate is 0. Okay. Then just listen the questions. First, some MCQs you can answer. Listen. MCQs also, if it is you have to work out it, you have to do it in a paper and select it. Don't just select it. It's not a lottery. Okay, listen. The point -3,5, which quadrant? Point -3,5, which quadrant? -3,5 is second quadrant. Correct or no? -3,5, second quadrant. Okay. -3,5, second quadrant. Okay. Why late, Tawfiq? Everybody's last moment only waiting. Tawfiq, Abarna, how much you got marks? Abarna. Hello, Abarna. Verona, 18. Okay. Okay, and Tawfiq, tell me the correct mark. What happened, Verona? 2 marks you lost. Tawfiq. Hello. Now Tawfiq tell no network. Come on. Tawfiq. Hello. Okay, so next question. Okay, the point 0 minus 7. The point 0 minus 7. The point 0 minus 7. Where? On x-axis, second quadrant, y-axis, fourth quadrant. Where? In x-axis, 0 minus 7. 0 minus 7 is x-axis. Come on, man. Lohidasha. In y-axis, man. 0 minus 7 is y-axis. 0 minus 7 is y-axis. Okay. Then listen. Abscissa of all the point on the x-axis. Listen. Don't write. No need to write. Just listen here. The abscissa of all the point on the x-axis: A 0, B 1, C 2, D any number. D is any number. D is any number. What is that? Any number, right? Because, okay, similarly, okay, ordinate of the point on the x-axis. Ordinate of a point on the x-axis, what? 0, right? Listen, in x-axis, y coordinate is 0. In y-axis, x coordinate is 0. Okay, next. Listen, where x and y negative, which quadrant? X and y negative, which quadrant? 3. X and y negative in third quadrant. Okay. Write in your notebook. Okay. Okay. The point which lie on y-axis, 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 the point which lie on y-axis has the point which lie on y-axis at a distance of 5 unit, at a distance of 5 unit, at a distance of 5 unit, at a distance of 5 unit in the negative direction, in the negative direction of y-axis, in the negative direction of y-axis. Once again, the point which lie on y-axis at a distance of 5 unit in the negative direction of y-axis. Okay, what is that point? A point, listen, a point on y-axis, a point on y-axis at a distance of 5 unit in the negative direction of y-axis. That means what? 0, minus 5. Correct or no? 0, minus 5. Okay, so next one. Okay, just listen. Just no need to write this one. The x-axis and y-axis divide the Cartesian plane in dash quadrant. What is that? 4 quadrant. Okay. The abscissa of a point on the y-axis is, the abscissa of a point on the y-axis is what? Abscissa of a point on the y-axis is 0. Coordinate on the x-axis. Coordinate on the x-axis is 0. Okay. Okay, plot the following, write the question in graph paper, okay? Plot the following, plot the following points, plot the following points, plot the following points and write the name of the figure and write the name of the figure thus obtained and plot the following points and write the name of the figure thus obtained. P minus 3 2 minus 3 2 Q minus 7 3 R 6 minus 3 6 minus 3, then S 2 2. Once again, P minus 3 2 P minus 3 2 Q minus 7 minus 3 R 6 comma 3 S 2 comma 2. Okay. Okay. See what happened. Question. Plot the following points. Plot the following points. Plot the following. Halima, listen. Plot the following points. P minus 3 2. P minus 3 2. Q minus 7 minus 3. R 6 comma minus 3. 6 comma minus 3. S 2 comma 2. S 2 comma 2. Okay. And name the figure. And name the figure. Okay. What is one? What is this? I don't know. Is it trapezium? Okay, I'll wait. Amina, I don't know. I didn't plot it. It is some trapezium shape. What is it? Should be trapezium. Okay, it is a trapezium. Correct or not? It is a trapezium. Right? Correct or not? Look at here. You have no idea what shape of trapezium. Look. Because here I cannot see the correct one. Here. X 0, X dash, Y dash. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 3. 1, 3 here. Okay. Then -1 here. No, not this one. No, -3, 2. Not this one. Okay. Hello. Question is what? -3, 2. -3, 2 here. Okay. A. I mark it A. -7, -3. -7, -3. 5, 6, 7. -7, -3 here. This is approximately okay. B. Then 6, 6 -3. 6 -3 will be here. Okay, so this one like this. Then 2, 2. 2, 2 here. Okay, so it is what? Trapezium. Correct or not? It is called what? Trapezium. It is called trapezium. Okay. So next question. The plotting, okay, you know how to plot, right? Okay. This origin is where? My question, listen here. The origin lies on where? X-axis, Y-axis. The origin lies on where? Not in any axis, right? Correct or not? The origin lies on both axes. You write like this. Origin lies on both axes. You write like both axes. Origin lies on both axes. Okay. So then, I hope you understood now how to plot and dot. Try one question. Okay. Plot a point P. Plot a point P 2, 4. Plot a point P 2, 4 on the graph paper. On the graph paper. Plot a point P 2, 4 on the graph paper. Okay. Now plot the reflection of. Listen. Plot a point once again. Oh, reflection. Okay, right. Plot a point P. Listen. Plot a point P 2, 4. Plot a point 2, 4 on the graph paper. Now plot the reflection of P in x-axis and y-axis. Plot the reflection of P on. Plot the reflection of P in x-axis and y-axis and denote them as Q and R. Denote them as Q and R. Name the type of triangle PQR form. Name the type of triangle. Name the type of triangle PQR form. Question again. Listen. Plot a point P 2, 4. Plot a point P 2, 4 on the graph paper. Now plot the reflection of P in x-axis and y-axis and denote them as Q and R respectively. Name the type of the triangle. So name the type of the triangle PQR SOF form. Name the type of the triangle PQR SOF form. Okay, try now. Okay, just everyone plot this one. Okay, what to do? Look at here. If not getting, listen here. Look, this should be plotted in graph paper. Okay, look. Okay, here, plot the point. Okay, 1. Okay, plot the point 2, 4. 2, 4 is here. Okay, P here, 2, 4. Now reflection. Reflection, listen. Reflection means what? Reflection is here 2 unit, right? This is 2 unit. So here also take 2 unit. That is R. That is what 2 unit. Make it 2 here. Okay, 2 here. This is 2, 4. Reflection with respect to y-axis. Here 2. Here also 2. So that is -2, 4. Then down. How many here? This is 2 here. 4 unit, right or no? Because 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, -2, -3, -4 here. And join this one. So which triangle is one? A right triangle. Correct or no? A right triangle. Is it okay? Okay. So next question. Is it okay? No. Next one, star question. So this chapter symbol, just plotting and only. Okay. Only thing you remember, a point on the x-axis, y coordinate is 0. A point on the y-axis, x coordinate is 0. Okay, x coordinate, another name is abscissa, y coordinate is ordinate. Okay, that means, listen here, 2, 3 means, hello, listen, 2, 3 means, 2, 3 means what? 2, 3 means 3 or 2, 4. 2, 4 means 2 unit away from y-axis. 4 unit away from x-axis. Agree or no? Correct? 2, 3 means, sorry, 2, 4 means 2 unit away from y-axis. That means AB comma AB means A unit away from y-axis, B unit away from x-axis. Okay, next question, right? In figure, PQR is an equilateral triangle. 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 In figure, PQR is an equilateral triangle with the coordinates of Q, with coordinates of Q and R, with the coordinates of Q and R as -2, 0, -2, 0, and 2, 0. -2, 0, and 2, 0. Find the coordinates of vertex. Find the coordinates of the vertex P. Find the coordinates of the vertex P. Okay, look at here. Whenever you make it arrows here, otherwise it's wrong. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Here, -1, -2, -3. You have 1, 2. Okay. PQR is an equilateral triangle. PQR is an equilateral triangle. PQR. Q is here. Okay. PQR is an equilateral triangle. Coordinates of R is -2, 0. -2, 0. This is 2, 0. This is R. Here is Q. Okay. Find the coordinates of P. Find the coordinates of P. Find the coordinates of P. Okay. Question again. Sure. Listen. In figure, PQ. This is manually you find out, not graphically find out. Okay. In figure, PQR is an equilateral triangle. PQR is an equilateral triangle with the coordinates of Q and R -2, 0 and 2, 0. Find the coordinates of vertex P. Find the coordinates of the vertex P. Okay. So what is that? P how much? 0, 2? No, 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 no. Look at here. This is one of the good question. Listen here. You understood the point? Listen here. Maybe I'll show because this is a very good question. Listen here. Here in figure. Hello, listen out. Because I have limitation now graph here. Okay. This is -1, -2. 1, 2. We don't know this point. Okay. So P whereabout we don't know. Okay. Hey, forget about don't draw this. Don't draw in graph. You will be in trouble. This is this one Q. This is R P. Don't just draw graph and find out. You won't get it. Look at here. Hello. Listen here. I'll show this one. What about OQ? How much? It's an equilateral triangle. Listen. Hello. It's an equilateral triangle. OQ how much? 2. OR how much? OR how much? 2. Therefore, QR how much? 4. Correct? This part okay or not? Hello? That part okay or not? Okay. So listen. We did in the beginning. This one is 4. This also 4. This is 2. Okay. Now, you find out this length. Okay. Listen. It's an equilateral triangle. This is 2. Here 2. Total is 4. So this also 4. Now, in triangle, OPQ. OPQ. We have to find out OP. OP square equal to PQ square minus OQ square. That means this square equal to this square minus this square. So 16 minus 4 equal to what? 12. So OP equal to root of 12. That is what? 2 root 3. We learned that. 2 root 3. That means the coordinates of P is 0, 2 root 3. 0, 2 root 3. Who all got this? Anybody got this? Don't just find out. Don't find from the figure. This is manually or calculated. Understood? Now, manually you have to calculate it. This is not a correct figure, okay? Because the question is saying PQR is an equilateral triangle. So this length is 2 because 0, 2. Sorry, minus 2, 0. Length is 2. Here 2, 0. Length is 2. Accordingly, this length also, this length is 4. This is 2. We can find out this one. Clear now? Okay. If anyone had doubt, tell me. I'll explain again. No problem. Okay. We did this before. Okay. Okay, Parshini, listen here. Look at the figure. The coordinate of Q, the coordinate of Q is what? -2, 0. Coordinate of Q is -2, 0. That means here from O to Q, 2 unit there is. Up to here, 2 unit. Here also 2 unit. Correct? So total how much? 4. Are you okay or not? From O to Q, 2 unit. O to R, 2 unit. Total is 4 unit. Okay. So accordingly, PQ also 4 because it's an equilateral triangle. Okay. Now we got to find out OP square. OP square equal to 4 square minus 2 square. 4 square is 16 minus 4, 12. So OP equal to root of 12. Root of 12 we learned 2 root 3. That means here 0, 2 root 3. Suppose if it is here, what is the point? If it is here, what is the point? If it is here, what is the point? Uh, 0 minus 2 root 3. Correct or no? 0, 0 minus 2 root 3. Now clear or not? Partially. Okay. Okay, so next question, right? In figure, next question. In figure, PQRS in figure, PQR is an equilateral triangle. PQR is an equilateral triangle. PQR is an equilateral triangle. In the coordinates of Q and R, as 0, 4, 0, minus 4. 0, 4 and 0, minus 4. 0, 4 and 0, minus 4. Find the coordinates of vertex P. Find the coordinates of the vertex P. Listen, don't draw in graph. Don't take in graph, okay? Your notebook, only these questions. This one, 0, -4. Just mark it, that's only R. Here, OQ, 0, 4. Don't mark it. Listen, don't even no need to mark like this. Okay, you just figure only. Here is P. Okay, this is a P. Okay, try now. O here. Okay, no need to make it. No need to make access, but this should be there. No need to mark like this. Like previous 1, 2, 3. Don't do like that. It is a plain paper. Here now, question again. Divansh. In figure, PQR is an equilateral triangle. PQR is an equilateral triangle. In the coordinates of Q and R, as 0, 4, 0, 4, and 0, -4. 0, 4, and 0, -4. Find the coordinates of vertex P. Find the coordinates of the vertex P. Okay. Once again, the previous question and this question, don't draw in graph. And also don't mark it 1, 2, 3, etc. like that. Okay. It's just plain paper, mark it. Because it's not find the graph. This question not a graphical question. Okay. Aditya Sharma, just check it. Some major mistake is there. Aditya Srivastava made a major mistake. Digits correct, but a major mistake is there. Okay. Look at here. How much this one? 4. This also 4. So this will be 8. Correct or no? Because like previous question, this is 4, this is 4, so 8. So 8 here. So you find out OP. Finish. You find out OP. OP equal to what? OP square equal to 8 square minus 4 square. 64 minus 16 equal to 48. OP equal to root of 48. That is 4 root 3. Why 16 to 4? 4 root 3. Therefore, this coordinate is what? 4 root 3 comma 0. 4 root 3 comma 0. 4 root Aditya, not 0 4 root 3. Yes, answer is no. Coordinate is 4 root 3 comma 0. Aditya understood? Because in x-axis, y coordinate only 0, not y x coordinate. I hope the both question clear or not. In both questions, anyone have doubt? Tell me now. Okay, now the both questions clear now? Anyone had doubt? Okay, so now next question. In figure, next question. In figure, this also related question. Okay, in figure, ABC and ADB. In figure, ABC and ADB. In figure, ABC and ADB are equilateral triangle. In figure, ABC and ADB are equilateral triangle. Find the coordinates of C and D. Find the coordinates of C and D. Find the coordinates of C and D. This one minus A0. This one A0. Okay, we have to find out the coordinates of C and D. Coordinates of C and D. Okay. Question here, look at here, minus A0, then find the coordinates of C and D. Okay. Okay, getting? Look at here, listen. Here, this one, this is length is A. This also A. So AB equal to 2A. AC also 2A. We have to find out this is 2A, like previous question. OC square equal to AC square minus OA square. 2A whole square minus A square. 4A square minus A square. So that is 3A square. OC equal to root 3A. So this point is 0 root 3A. This point is 0 minus root 3A. Clear now? Is it okay? Hello. Listen, the last 3 questions, just go through it now. I'll wait. Last 3 questions. Check again. Is it okay now? Hello, last 3 questions okay or not? Then tell me now first. Then only I can start next questions. How to get the coordinates, okay? Okay, so clear now. Everyone clear now? All the guys. Listen, if you are waiting outside, suppose if you are waiting outside, maybe I cannot find out that. So just send a message in WhatsApp. So immediately I can arrange it, okay? Because don't wait long time, because I want to check that for all waiting. Okay, right. Next question. Plot the points A, -2, 3. Plot the points A, -2, 3. This one a plot in graph. Plot the points A, -2, 3, B, -2, 0, B, -2, 0, C, 2, 0, C, 2, 0. Once again, A, -2, 3, B, -2, 0, C, 2, 0, and D, 2, 6. D, 2, 6. Okay, on the graph paper, join them consecutively, and find the length of BC, find the length of BC, find the length of BC, find the length of BC and AB, find the length of BC and AB, find the length of BC and AB. Also find the area of triangle ABC. Also find the length of BC and AB. Also find the length of BC and AB. Okay. Look, once again, plot the points A, -2, 3. Plot the points A, -2, 3, B, -2, 0, C, 2, 0, D, 2, 6 on the graph paper. Join them consecutively and find the length of BC and AB. Find the length of BC and AB. Also find the area of triangle ABC. Also find the area of triangle ABC. Okay. Coordinates of C is 2, 0. Coordinates of C is 2, 0. Okay. Plot it and find the area. Okay. Area is what? No, wrong. Wrong, Navneet. Nothing wrong. What about others? Six. Yes, Amina, correct. 6 square unit. 6 square unit. Okay. Base is 4. Height is 3. Correct or no? 6 square unit. I hope it's clear now, all. Okay, right. Next question. Write a linear equation. Write a linear equation. Write a linear equation passing through. Write a linear notebook. Write a linear equation passing through 2, 4. Write a linear equation passing through 2, 4. Write a linear equation passing through 2, 4. Okay, do first. Okay, finish. Form. Okay, look at here. You can write symbol x plus y equal to 6. Simple way. X plus y equals 6. Right or no? X plus y 6. 2 plus 4 6. Or x minus y. Don't go very tough. 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 minus 2. Anything you can write. Okay. Or 2x plus y equal to, keep it. 2 into 2 4. 4 plus 4 8. Correct. Is it okay? I hope everybody got right. Okay. For x plus 2y equals 16, there is no logic. It is same as 2x plus y equal to 8. Is it okay now? You can make any equations, you can make it. Are you okay? Clear now? Don't make very big values, big number, and don't make mistake. Okay, next question, right? Okay. Um, right. If the point 3 comma 4, yes. If the point 3 comma 4, because next class I'll go through the, now one more class only now before the test. If the point 3 comma 4, I'm not doing to draw graph, just coordinates only. Okay. If the point 3 comma 4, if the point 3 comma 4, if the point 3 comma 4 lies on the graph, 3y equal to ax plus 7. 3y equal to ax plus 7. 3y equal to ax plus 7. Find the value of a. Find the value of a. Okay. If the point 3 comma 4 lies on the graph of 3y equal to ax plus 7. Find the value of a. Okay, try now. Okay. Okay, a equal to 5 by 3. Next one, right? Express y in terms of x. 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 3y, so 3x plus 4y equal to 6. 2x minus y equal to 10. Okay, write this one. Two questions. Express 3x plus 4y. Express y in terms of x. Express y in terms of x. 3x plus 4y equal to 6. And this first question, the second question. Do it now. Hello, Taufik. Where is Taufik? I ask your mark now. Taufik, hello. Taufik, can you hear me? Hello, Taufik. Taufik. Where is this guy? This guy, if it is my regular classes, one day only he'll sit in front of me. Yes, why only? Always express. But if the question, Mansvi, if the question is saying express x in terms of, you write it. Hello, to draw a graph, to Mansvi, school many things they didn't say. Okay, because Mansvi, we noticed if we represent x in terms of y, chance to make mistakes. Clear or not? Hello, Mansvi. That's why I'm telling you, it is not wrong. Okay. Suppose anyone write x in terms of y. It is not wrong. I cannot say it's wrong. But I'm telling you from my experience, okay, I'm last 35 years in this field. I'm seeing this one. Papers and all, mistakes and all. That's I'm telling you. Okay, you make it y in terms of x. So we can clear, no chance to make mistake. Okay, now, but the question saying express x in terms of y, x in terms of y, then you should write it. Okay, now here, 4y equal to 6 minus 3x. This is going to other side. Y equal to 6 minus 3x by 4. Okay, finish. Okay, this question, 2x minus y 10. Don't keep it minus y here. Take y going there. 2x 10 minus 2x equal to y. Okay, 2x. Understood now? The y is going here. Okay, listen. Look at here. 10 is coming here. 2x minus 10 equal to y. 10 coming here, y going there. So y equal to 2x minus 10. Are you okay or not? Take the minus sign to other side. I hope everybody okay now? Okay. Okay, so finished now. It's clear now. You understood how to express y in terms of x and y in terms of x. Okay. Now my question. Look at here. Right. Find the coordinates of point. Next question. Find the coordinates of point. Find the coordinates of point 3x plus y equal to 10 intersect the x-axis and y-axis. What? The previous question 10 minus 2 is not correct. No. Wait, what was the question? What was the question? I run. You'll get a graph entirely different. Jayant, read the type the question. Type the question. Okay, 2x. Hey, just mistake. 2x minus y equal to 10. You said, yeah, 2x minus y 10. That is correct. You said what? 10 minus 2x wrong. 10 minus 2x is wrong. Okay, because it easy way. Look at here. It is quite easy. You take this minus here. Listen, I notice some students have a habit like this. Hello. Look at here. Some students have a habit like this. What is the habit? I tell you. Look, they keep minus y equal to 10 minus 2x. Then they keep y equal to maximum. They change here minus 10, minus 2x. They keep it there. Okay. So don't make it like this. Clear now? Yeah. Okay. So that's what I tell you now. So don't keep. I don't want to see any graph you're writing like this. I'll throw you a graph paper. Okay. I don't want to see. Don't keep it minus y. It's not minus y. It is what we'll do. Easy way. This is go to here. 10 coming here. So what? 2x minus 10 equal to y. Okay. So another one I'll show you. Look at here. 3x minus 4y equal to 10. 3x minus 4y equal to 10. What will do? 3x minus 10 equal to 4y. Then y equal to 3x minus 10 by 4. Clear now? This is called express y in terms of x. Okay, when we draw the graph, you make it y in terms of x. That means x in terms of x is not wrong. It's not haram. You can make it, but maybe you'll get very upside down graph. You'll get it. We notice that. So don't use that method. And also, when you draw the graph, minimum 3 coordinates is required. Okay. So now, now another one. Look at here. 4x minus y equal to 10. What to do? (4x minus y equal to 10). What will make it? You can make it 4x minus 10 equal to y. Correct or no? 4x minus 10 equal to y. Okay. Now, this is clear now. Okay. Now, listen. Write the question. Write the question. Find the coordinates where the line. Find the coordinates. Write the question in notebook. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates. I told you, if you are in a waiting outside, you should send a message, because we're keeping a waiting room. Some guys giving our password to others, others joining. That's why I'm keeping. You only made a mistake. That's why you're suffering. Understood now? I know who gave all. I understood. Okay. Through my IT friend, we notice the IP address. Okay. Listen, why, understood now why I'm keeping a waiting room? Okay, why I'm keeping a waiting room? Because of one of the student in this batch gave the password to others, his friends. Okay, then that guy joined. Okay, that's why I'm keeping a waiting room. But I found that. Okay. Okay. Okay, look at here. No, I don't mind if anyone comes with the permission. No problem for me. Okay. I not against that. Okay. No, this is simply making disturbance, talking and all like that. Okay. If a student intentionally to study, okay, I will allow, no problem. Even no fees also, no problem for me. Okay, but it's not like that. It is to disturb the class, giving the password. Okay. So that's why keeping the waiting room. So that's why if it is not, if you come without your name, like suppose Inaya Ravi Kumar, Inaya Srinivasan. If anyone comes with Inaya, I won't allow. Okay, so you should come with your name. Okay, I can I have a here. He gave me an app, which IP address and all. If you want, I'll show you where I sitting and all. Your IP address and all. Now it is very easy to locate. This IT now very easy. Suppose for example Jayant, where sitting. Okay, location, everything we will get it. That's why that's why I just example I check one of the student as a trial base. Listen, as a trial base, I just check one of the student. He's sitting near my friend. Same building. My close friend Sharavanan. That is Jayant. Correct or no? Jayant. Yeah. So now I can, if anyone, I can find out where is giving the everything. Okay. Now very easy now. Okay. Okay. Now come on, come to the question. That's why I gave in the waiting room. Okay. So here now, okay. Now question. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates where the line intersects the x-axis and y-axis. 3x minus y equal to 10. Right. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates where this line intersects the x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Can you try? Find the coordinates where this line intersects the x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Try now. Okay. You got? Hello, you got? You write like this. Like this. When a line intersects the x-axis, y coordinate is 0. 3x minus 0 equal to 10. 3x equal to 10. X equal to 10 by 3. So coordinate is 10 by 3 comma 0. Similarly, when a line intersects the y-axis, x is 0. Y equal to minus 10. 0 minus 10. For all got. Okay. Okay. Finish or not? Okay. 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 So next question, right? Find the coordinates of point. Find the coordinates of the point. Find the coordinates where the line. Next question. Find the coordinates where the line intersects the x-axis and y-axis. Find the coordinates where this line intersects the x-axis and y-axis. 5x plus 2y equal to 7. Find the coordinates where the line intersects the x-axis and y-axis. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates where the line intersects the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, find first. Okay, what is that? First intersect x-axis. 5x equal to 7. X equal to 7 by 5. 7 by 5 equal to 0. Second point, 0 comma 2y equal to 7. Y equal to 7 by 2. 0 comma 7 by 2. Okay. So next one, right? 7 by, okay, so, okay. Okay, next one, right? Okay, now look at here, 3x plus y equal to 10. Hello, don't it right, just check it. 3x plus y equal to 10. Check whether 3 comma 2 lies on this equation. Check whether 3 comma 2 lies on 3x plus y equal to 10. Check whether 3 comma 2 lies on here. You have to check nicely. Don't just answer. What will do? 3 into 3 plus 2. How much? 9 plus 2 equal to 11. So that's why it is not lies. Understood? No, it just substitute there. Okay. Now, next question. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. Next question. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. Find the value of k if x equal to 1, x equal to 1, y equal to 2, y equal to 2 is a solution of the equation, 3x plus ky equal to 13. 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 Find the value of k. X equal to 1, y equal to 2. Okay, try now. K equal to what? Okay, let's finish all. Okay, so finish. K equal to 5. One more question. Find the value of, I hope everyone finished now. 3 plus 2k equal to 30, correct? Is it okay now? I hope finish all. Okay, next one, right? Find the value of k. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. 3 comma minus 4 is a solution of the equation. Is a solution of the equation 5x plus ky equal to 7. Okay. Find the value of k. Find the value of k if 3 comma minus 4 is a solution of the equation 5x plus ky equal to 7. 5x plus ky equal to 7. Okay, try now. Okay, finish. Hello, what is the answer? K equal to what? K equal to what? 2, right? Okay. Right. Find three solutions. Find three solutions. Find three solutions of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Find three solutions. Find three solutions. Find 2x plus 3y equal to 12. 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Okay, finished now? Okay, right. Next question, right? Okay, right. The cost of a right. The cost of a book is 3 times the cost of a pen. The cost of a book is 3 times the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation, two variable. Write a linear equation in two variable. The cost of a book. The cost of a book is 3 times the cost of a pen. The cost of a book is 3 times the cost of a pen. Write the linear equation two variable. Okay, x equal to what? X. look at here. Now, what is X? What is Y? That's important. Look at here. Hello. Here. The cost of a book is 3 times the cost of pen. Okay, pen rupees X, book rupees Y. Now the cost of a pen, the cost of a book, so Y equal to 3x. Y equal to 3x. You have to write clearly. You have to specify pen so and so, book so and so. Okay, X equal to, now your case is Vidya, which is X, which is Y, we don't know. You have to write that one. Okay. So now we next one, right? Okay, find the value of K. Next question. Find the value of K. Find the value of K. Find the value of K. Find the value of K if 3 minus 4 is a solution of the equation, 5x plus ky equal to 5x plus ky equal to 7. 5x plus ky equal to 7. Okay. Find the value of K if 3 minus 4 is a solution of the equation. Okay, right first. Oh, we did this one. K equals 0 to 2, right? Oh, you did already. Okay, okay. So now we finish 2 chapters revisions for your test. Linear regression and coordinate geometry. Linear regression, no graph, correct or no? Okay, so next class we'll discuss again polynomial. Okay, try this question from polynomial. Okay. Factorize. This is the last question today. Okay, factorize x square minus 3x whole square minus 8 into x square minus 3x minus 20. X square minus 3x whole square minus 8 times x square minus 3x minus 20. Okay, try this one. Yeah, quadrilaterals I'll do it next week. Okay. Quadrilaterals there is, circles there is, major chapters. Okay, what will do this question? You have idea how to do? Okay, you try later. Okay, then next class we'll discuss it. Okay, so this is enough today. Okay, but finish it this one today itself. Okay.